In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to retrieve your WordPress username, a crucial piece of information you need for managing your WordPress site effectively. Starting off, navigating to wordpress.com is your first step. It's the gateway to building your site, selling products, blogging, and much more. To get started, simply type in the URL or search for wordpress.com in your preferred search engine. Once you arrive at the homepage of wordpress.com, you'll find several options in front of you, but we're interested in logging in. Look for the Login button, usually located at the top right corner of the page. Clicking on it will direct you to the login page, where you'll have various options for accessing your account. For those of you who have linked your WordPress account with Google, the Continue with Google option is a swift path to log in. Click on it and you'll be prompted to select the Google account you wish to sign in with. Make sure you choose the one associated with your WordPress account. After selecting your Google account, you may have to grant permissions or simply continue, depending on your account setup. Follow the prompts to proceed. This might include clicking on Continue once more to finalize the login process with your chosen Google account. Now that you're logged in, it's time to navigate to your site's dashboard. Look for My Home, followed by the name of your site. Clicking this will take you to the dashboard where you can manage your site's content, layout, and settings. To find your username, start by looking at the top right corner of the dashboard. You should see your name or a profile picture. Hover over this area and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, select My Profile. This action navigates you to a page where you can view and edit your profile information. Within the My Profile page, locate and click on the Account Settings option. This is where your account's core settings are managed, including your username. Under Username, you'll find the name you used to log into wordpress.com. It's nestled right there for your reference. Why is knowing your WordPress username important? For starters, it's essential for logging in and conducting administration tasks on your WordPress site. But it also plays a key role in how you're identified within the WordPress community. So it's good to have it handy for reference or if you ever need support. Here are a few tips and tricks to keep in mind. 1. Keep your username secure. Your WordPress username is a key part of your login credentials. While it's not as sensitive as your password, you should still be cautious about sharing it publicly. 2. Can't change your username. If you're looking to change your username and can't seem to find how, note that WordPress.com does not allow direct changes to usernames for security reasons. However, there are workarounds such as creating a new user with administrative rights and your desired username. 3. Integrated accounts. If you've used the Continue with Google feature, remember that changes to your Google account may affect how you sign into WordPress. It's a convenient feature, but keep your account information up to date to avoid access issues. 4. Profile completeness. While you're in the My Profile section, it's a good opportunity to check if all your profile information is up to date. A complete profile can enhance your interaction with the WordPress community. I hope this guide simplifies the process of finding your WordPress username. Knowing how to quickly retrieve it not only helps in managing your site, but also ensures you can easily request support or participate in the WordPress community without a hitch. Remember, your WordPress username is a small but significant piece of your online presence. Keep it safe and make the most out of your WordPress experience. Whether you're blogging, selling, or showcasing your portfolio, WordPress is a robust platform that meets a wide array of needs. Happy blogging, and see you in the next video for more tips and tricks on mastering WordPress.